A lot of people get the hiccups and there's no shame in it. But when they won't go away, we know how frustrating it can be. That's why I've created this guide on what to do if your hiccups don't seem to want to stop. You'll learn some different ways that might help you get them fixed up so you can enjoy life again. We'll also explain what exactly hiccups are in a scientific way, as well as some amazing facts shortly, including the tale of Charles Osborne, who broke the world record for having hiccups for 68 years. To begin, try drinking water in different ways. To clear your hiccups, you must confuse your vagus nerve, and the only way to do that is to mess with your body, nerve impulses, and diaphragm. Drink a total of 24 little sips of water rapidly. You may pause the video to check if this works. Now take a drink from the other side of the glass. It's strange, but it actually works for many people. Next, try drinking very cold water in one continuous sip, still nothing works. Gargling with ice water for 30 seconds. Then, after a breath swallow, chugged up some crushed ice water. There was no access to a glass of water. Make do with what you've got. Apply pressure to the palm of your other hand with your thumb. For 60 seconds, press it firmly or bend your legs into your chest for 2 minutes. Let's go a little further than that. Using both index fingers and thumbs, pull your tongue and spell out your name. You'll get the best results if you apply a light coating of oil to your palms before pressing them against your closed eyes, while humming the last song you heard on the radio. For some controlled breathing, close your mouth while pinching your nose. Inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 5 seconds. Continue until you reach serenity. Still, hiccups after all of this tried and true chaos theory. Now is the time to go to the pantry or the grocery store and get some food assistance. The New England Journal of Medicine reported that sucking on a lemon cured 14 of 16 hiccup sufferers in a hiccup test. Is it too sweet for you? Put some sugar granules on your tongue. You don't have much of a sweet tooth, do you? Give peanut butter a try with several scoops. Do you have a peanut allergy? If so, put some cocoa mix in your hot chocolate or Ovaltine and the hiccups should stop. If that doesn't work, try adding a drop of vinegar to your drink and overpower those hiccups right down. This last one might seem inappropriate, but the National Institute of Health has published data confirming that one way for hiccups to release is by achieving a physical climax. We'll just leave that one right there. Moving on. What are hiccups, exactly? Simply said, a hiccup is an involuntary diaphragmatic contraction. More technically, when the reflex arc is activated, a myoclonus occurs and that particular reflex causes a powerful spasm of the diaphragm followed by the vocal cord's closure. This closure of the vocal cord makes that recognizable hic noise that led to the creation of the made-up word hiccup, sometimes referred to as a hiccough. How do we get hiccups? Hiccups come without warning. They can last for minutes, hours, days, or even years. Hiccups are caused by one's own eating or drinking habits. If you have hiccups, try spicy foods or carbonated drinks, or eating too much too fast or drinking too much too fast. Or just having fun with food, in general, can lead to your body fighting you with the hiccups. Hiccups can also be caused by medicines and health problems that affect the French and vagus nerves, which run from the neck to the diaphragm. Hiccups are common among people with neurological problems. Time for some crazy hiccup stories. American Charles Osborne lived from 1884 to 1991. From 1922 to 1990, he had the hiccups. The longest attack of the hiccups, with an estimated 430 million hiccups, was recorded by the Guinness World Records as Osborne in his 68-year run. The Latin term for hiccups is singultus, which comes from the Latin singlet, meaning to catch one's breath while sobbing. Hiccups are only known in mammals. In horses, it's referred to as thumbs. But how did we, as a species, start to hiccup? Humans developed the ability to hiccup in order to breathe and suck milk at the same time while nursing, according to scientists. Hiccups are more prevalent in infants than adults, and it's probable that the built-in reflex to stifle peristalsis and the esophagus evolved from breathing difficulties between feeds. Some ultrasounds have revealed fetuses hiccuping in the womb. Centuries ago, there were many stories about the folklore of hiccups. People in Europe believed that it meant that your growth spirit was coming in parts. Today, people believe that when someone has the hiccups, someone is thinking about them. When you have the hiccups, it is hard to think about anything. What method works for you? What technique? You are surprised. You may have passed out from trying them all. The next video will start soon anyway. Thank you for watching Healthy Life.